You sit in a meeting, everyone talks and nothing happens afterwards. The most expensive part is not the duration you used in that meeting. It's actually the few follow-up tasks that nobody remembers after the meeting. Your Zoom already has transcripts recording. Transcripts are really raw materials of data that everybody was speaking, so it records every word that was being said. It's inbuilt, it's in Zoom, it's in Google Meet. You can use it for free, or you can use third-party note takers. Every entrepreneur nowadays use that, but the problem is that this raw data that is captured is often lengthy. Like, for example, 9,000 words, 10,000 words. Who has that time to go through all those words? The good thing though is when you are using these AI tools to capture that data and do transcript, is that it helps you to concentrate in the meeting and listen to whatever is being said. You don't have time to really start writing manually as notes are being taken, because already the transcript is being captured for you to use later. But the problem is it ends up derailing your time, because you have to go through all those 9,000 or 10,000 words to ensure that you decipher exactly what tasks were pending and who's assigned those kind of tasks. So in this video, I'm going to give you a guide on how to convert this raw data transcript into actionable follow-up tasks that you can be able to then draft an email and send to those people who are in that particular meeting. See, at the end of the day is that what you're looking for is a productive meeting. You don't want a situation whereby you are sitting in a meeting for hours every single day, every single week, every single month that you're calling meetings. You're having this to discuss the same things. No progress, no results, because there was no tasks that were actually implemented. The issue here is that you need to develop a system, and this system needs to work for you. When you're using AI, you need to delegate all your roles that you feel that they are consuming your time, and use them smartly to ensure that you get the best out of this when you're using this AI tool. So this system should be having questions in it. So you can ask 3 different questions, like, what decisions did we make in that meeting? Like, just simple. What decisions did we have in that meeting? What are the action items? What questions did we raise but did not answer? And the last one is showing you vague stuff, the things that people never committed to. They just said yes to, but they never actually committed to actualizing it. This shows that there is no productivity in this kind of a session, right? So you need to flag them out. Now, having prompted that to get that information from that transcript, you have now the information that you wanted exactly. What decisions did you discuss? What commitment did we make? What, that were never committed? What other things that were never committed? What questions did we raise that were never actually committed to? So after that, you can be able now to prompt again the AI system, whether you're using ChatGPT, Gemini, whichever large language model that you're using. Just ask it now to generate an email for you with these questions in mind. You can be able to have AI draft your quick follow-up email, everyone with these action items. Send it within 30 minutes after the meeting. This will show the effectiveness and the productivity of the follow-up. So in this case, you've used AI smartly. Remember, you never sat down to actually take the notes. You actually were fully involved in the meeting. You are never like outside the meeting. You are immersed in the meeting, and you're able to contribute your points, and they were transcribed. There is record for everything that took place with each particular second that actually something was pointed out. And you're able now to prompt out the most important tasks. You get it from that, because at the end of the day, you're not coming to sit in a meeting to discuss about, gossiping. You're sitting in a meeting to discuss productivity. Where are we now? Where are we heading to? When are we expected to reach that particular destination? So after you've gotten those tasks, acted upon them, and then drafted an email, send it within 30 minutes after the meeting, you are able to then follow up with the conversations, and you're able to reply. So with this, you have a guarantee that every meeting you'll be doing with this kind of a system will be productive. And if you like this kind of videos, ensure to subscribe, follow, and share with everybody that likes such kind of content.